Let us learn the fifth question. There are 12 pieces of 5, 10, 20 rupee currencies whose total value is rupees 105. When first two swords are interchanged in their numbers, its value will be increased by rupees 20. Find the number of currencies in each sort. Totally different types of 3 coins, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin and 20 rupee coin. Okay, together all the totally how many number of coins are there? Number of coins together 12. Okay, but the value of the money for this 12 coins together give the value is rupees 205. Understood? Some 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin and 20 rupee coin together totally 12 coins are there. 12 currencies are there, but together they give the value 105. Then first two swords are interchanged. That means 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin numbers are interchanged. We get the money increased to 20 rupees, that is 125. Okay, number of coins are interchanged, so we get the total value after interchanging, it is 125. Now we need to find the number of coins in each sort, in each one. How many 5 rupee coin, how many 10 rupee coin and how many 20 rupee coin. Okay, so first of all we can write, let x, y, z be the number of currencies, be the number of currencies of rupees 5, rupees 10 and rupees 20. Okay, so x is rupees 5 coin, 5 rupee coin, x currencies are there, 10 rupee coin, y currencies are there, 20 rupee coin, z currencies are there. That is the meaning. Okay, what is the condition 1? 12 pieces, it is the condition 1. 105 is the condition 2. Increased by the 20 is the condition 3. Okay, now what is the condition 1? How to write? Condition 1 is, there are 12 pieces of 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin and 20 rupee coin. So our total number of currencies, that means x plus y plus z equal to 12. It is the meaning of condition 1. Okay, then condition 2, the value is 105. So when you multiply, you listen, if you have 2 5 rupee coin, what is the value? Rupees 5 into 2, 10 value. Okay, suppose you have 10 rupee coin, rupees 10 into 3. Like this way we have to multiply the number with the coin, currency. Okay, so for the condition 2, for how to find out the value of this full coins, all the coins, we have to multiply the value with the number. Okay, so condition 2 is 5 rupee coin, x number. So 5x plus then 10 rupee coin, y number. So 10y plus 20 rupee coin, z number. So 20z equal to, when you are multiplying and add this, you will get the total 105. Next condition 3 is, the coins are interchanged and their value is increased by 20. So interchange the 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coins. So you will get 5 rupee coin y and 10 rupee coins x and 20 rupee coins the same z. Okay, y number of 5 rupee coins, y number is there, y 5 rupee coins. Okay, if you have 2 and 3 means it will interchanges 3 and 2, like that way it is interchanged now. So what is the value of this money after interchanging? 5 rupee coin, only y coins are there, so 5y plus then 10 rupee coins, only x coins are there, so 10x plus 20 rupee coins, z coins are there, so 20 is set equal to 20 rupees increased. That means 105 plus 20. Okay, which implies you can write this variables in the order, correct order. It is 10x plus 5y plus 20z is equal to 125. Okay, we can reduce this this all the coefficients using the 5 table. 2 5s are 10, 1 5 is 5, 5 4s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So you can write this as 2x plus y plus 4z equal to 25. So this is equation number 3. Now the second equation also you can reduce it. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 4 5s are 20 and 2 21 here. Okay, so the second equation will change it as x plus 2y plus 4z equal to 21. This is the second equation. So you can do the solving easily. Okay, now using these three equations, first of all we can make two equations in two variables. Then we can find out the variables one by one. Solving equation 1, 2 and 3. See the first and second equation, you can eliminate the x term. Okay, so you can equation 1 minus 2, it is easy here. Now 1 minus 2. Okay, so y minus 2y, it is minus y. Z minus 4z, it is minus 3z equal to 12 minus 21. It is minus 9. Okay, this is equation number 4. Next, from the using the third and another one equation, we have to eliminate the same x term. So here the third equation, x term coefficient is 2. So one of the first or second equation you multiply using 2. Okay, here